Hello everyone, in this video we are going to study about the micronutrients. Micronutrients are essential nutrients that required by human body in small quantities for proper growth, development and overall well-being. Unlike micronutrients, that is carbohydrate, protein and fats, which are needed in the large amount, micronutrients are only needed in a trace amount, but their absence or deficiency can lead to the various health problems. The main micronutrients include the vitamin and minerals. Next part is the deficiency, symptoms and the sources and the benefits of the micronutrients. First one is the vitamin. Vitamin are organic compound that plays crucial role in various biochemical processes in the body. Source of vitamin A is carrot, sweet potato, spinach, eggs, liver and dairy product. Deficiency of vitamin A is the night blindness, dry skin, weak immunity. The benefits of the vitamin A is to essential for vision, health, skin health, immune function and cell growth. Second one is the vitamin C. The source of vitamin C is a citrus fruit. Deficiency of the vitamin C is the scurvy. And then benefit of the vitamin C is the antioxidant, aid in a collagen production, boost immune system. Next is the vitamin D. Source of vitamin D is a sunlight. The skin synthesizes it when exposed to sunlight. Fatty fish. The deficiency of the vitamin rickets in children and osteomalacia in the adult. Both cause weak bones. The benefits of the vitamin D is help in the calcium absorption, bone health and immune function. Next is the vitamin E. Source of vitamin E is nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, spinach and other leafy greens. Deficiency of the vitamin E is a rare but can cause nerve and muscle damage. The benefits of the vitamin E is on antioxidant, help to protect cells from the damage. Next is the vitamin K. The source of vitamin K is the leafy green vegetables, then livers, broccoli. Next is the deficiency of the vitamin K. It impaired the blood clotting, easy bruising. Next part is the minerals. Minerals are the inorganic element that are necessary for the various physiological function. In that, first one is the iron. The source of iron is a red meat, beans, then spinach. Deficiency of the iron is the anemia that causes fatigue, weakness. Benefits of the iron is essential for transporting oxygen in the blood. Next is the calcium. The source of calcium is a dairy product, leafy greens, base milk. The deficiency of the calcium is a weak bones, risk of osteoporosis. The benefit of the calcium, the bone and teeth health and muscle function. Next part is the zinc. Source of zinc is a meat, shellfish, legumes, seeds. The deficiency is delay wound healing, impaired sense of taste or smell. Benefits are the support immune function, protein synthesis and wound healing. Next is the magnesium. Source of magnesium is a nut, seeds, whole grains, leafy greens. Then deficiency of the magnesium is a muscle cramp, weakness, irregular heartbeat. Benefits of the magnesium, it support the muscle and nerve function, bone health. Next is the iodine. Source of the iodine is iodized salt, seafood. Next, the deficiency of iodine, that is goiter, that is enlarged thyroid gland, hypothyroidism. Benefit of the iodine is essential for the thyroid hormone production, regulate metabolism. Then next part is it is essential to maintain a balanced diet, ensure the inadequate intake of these micronutrient. A varied and diverse diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts and lean protein can help you meet your micronutrient needs and promote good health. If you suspect a deficiency, it best to consult with the healthcare professional for the proper evaluation and advice. Micronutrients are essential for maintaining overall health and well-being despite being required in small quantities. They play a critical role in the numerous physiological and biochemical processes within the body. Here are some important reasons why micronutrients are vital. So first one is the cellular function. Micronutrients are involved in a various cellular function such as energy production, DNA replication and cell division. They support the optimal functioning of cell, tissues and organs. Second one is the metabolism. Micronutrients are cofactor in many enzymatic reactions that regulate the metabolism. They help to convert the micronutrient, that is carbohydrate, protein and fat, into the energy and building blocks for the growth and repair. Next is the immune system support. Micronutrient, particularly vitamin and mineral like vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc and selenium are crucial for maintaining a robust immune system. They help the body defend against the infection and illnesses. Next is the antioxidant defense. Certain micronutrients such as vitamin E, vitamin C and selenium act as an antioxidant. They protect the cell from the oxidative damage caused by free radicals which can contribute to aging and various diseases. Next is the bone and teeth health. Micronutrients like calcium, phosphorus and vitamin D are essential for building and maintaining the strong bones and teeth. Next is the nerve function. Micronutrients like magnesium, calcium and potassium are critical for proper nerve function including nerve transmission and muscle. Next is the vision and eye health. Vitamin A crucial for maintaining good vision especially in a low light condition and for keeping the eyes healthy. Next is a hormone regulation. Micronutrient plays a role in a hormone synthesis and regulation, affecting various processes in the body, including growth, reproduction, and metabolism. Next is in the blood clotting. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting. It prevents the excessive bleeding after the injuries. Next is growth and development. Micronutrients are especially vital during the pregnancy and childhood when they support the proper growth and development. Next is cognitive function. It includes some micronutrients such as B vitamin and omega-3 fatty acid are associated with the brain health and the cognitive function. Next is the reducing disease risk. A diet rich in micronutrient is associated with a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as cardiovascular diseases, certain cancers and osteoporosis. Overall, maintaining an adequate intake of micronutrient is crucial for supporting optimal health, preventing nutrient deficiency, and reducing the risk of various health problems. A balanced and varied diet that include a wide range of the nutrient-dense food is the key to ensuring the sufficient micronutrient intake. If needed, dietary supplement can be used under the guidelines of the healthcare professional to address the specific deficiency or the health. That's all about the micronutrients. Thank you.